Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Superchips Vigilante. This particular system plugs in your OB into your Harley data port. Okay, plugs in this one. We do another one for your 6-pin, which is your later bikes. Your firmware is updatable through a hole in, a socket inside. Updatable on Superchips website. Basically, all you do with this, very simple to use. You just plug this in. You then get the option of performance, etc. You set up your exhaust type, set up what air filter you've got, what the CC of the bike is, the VIN, all the things you need to do, and away you go. You can then save the original map, which means if ever you want to go back to stock, you can. But the great thing with this is the tuning is pretty well infinite. Every time you change your pipes, your air filter, you don't need to go down to the Harley dealer. You can literally just plug this thing in and away you go. Easy diagnostic trouble code reading. You can clear the codes, which again you don't have to go down to the Harley dealer. You can perform updates over the internet with the USB, as I say, backlit LCD, and no additional hard parts needed. So you don't need any additional dongles or anything like you do with some of these, where you're paying $250 for a dongle. So if you're interested in the Superchips products, give us a call, 01773 835 666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.